Drag him back, bro. Drag him back, bro. Stop your boy. Push him back, push him back. You be the big boy.
He's catching me.
Tell your dog to go to you guys. There you go, swimming. Get away from him, let him swim. Get away from him. Get away, he's swimming. Don't touch him, let him swim. Let go.
I'm swimming since we've been here. I'm surprised.
Let go of him, Hunter. Let go, bro. He's gonna break your arm.
He already did. Didn't you already just see he broke his arm?